Wizard.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams of Deck Restoration Plus. Today I'm here to talk to you about one of our products. It's our Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain, and this is our Waterford White. Over the course of years, last few years, the whites, blacks, that whitewash really has become very popular. So we've come out with our Waterford White. I'm really happy with this color. Again, it's going to be like the others. It's still going to show the grain through, but it's going to give it a white tone. We do recommend a wet on wet application, which I'm going to do here. And we have this in 5 and 1 gallons. And we're going to apply this to cedar. So as we stain, we're going to put on 2 coats wet on wet. The first coat doesn't completely dry before you put on the second coat. So you could put this on by any type of sprayer, pump up sprayer, a 12 volt sprayer, an airless sprayer. And again, it's still going to show the grain through. We're just giving it a white tint or white tone to the wood. We're going to do the same thing with blacks, and that's the way they are with all the colors, really. You still want to see the wood grain through and all the characteristic of the wood. Again, it's a wet on wet application. Let the first coat, you do not let the first coat dry before you put on the second coat. Stains and sealers, what happens is when you apply them, they repel themselves. So you don't want them to completely dry. Paints, that's okay. Outdoor stains, that's not what we do. So as you can see, we put on 1 coat, we let it sit up a little. You can see it's starting to dry in some areas, and you put on your second coat. Typically we want to do this within about 10 minutes of the first coat. So we put on the second coat, back brush it, and this is kind of what you're going to get out of it, is you're going to have that white tone, and you're still going to be able to see the nice grains through. And this is our Waterford White, again, in 1 gallon and 5 gallons. And it's just, it kind of gives you that vinyl or that railing that everybody sees. It ties into a lot of the framing around the windows and the trim of a house. So it looks really nice. This is our Waterford White. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and I hope you check out our products and check out some of the other stains.